My name is Nompumelelo Ndlovu, and today I will be showing you guys how to solve a multiplication problem in grade 4. This is part of my IPTL assignment. I am a first year student in Rosebank doing a Bachelor of Education. Thank you. Yes, guys. So today we are going to be multiplying two-digit numbers with two-digit numbers. So yeah, let's just write our two-digit numbers. I will choose 24 times 24. So now we have our problem here, and we need to get the product of this problem. And remember that the product is the answer towards this multiplication problem. And then after writing this, we can just write it properly. 24 times 24. Yes, guys. So now that we have written 24 times 24, please remember, guys, always remember that the units need to be under the units and the tens need to be under the tens. It just always has to be like that. So now we can start solving our problem. So now we are saying 4 times 24, but to make our life easier, we're going to say 4 times 4 and 4 times 2. So 4 times 4 is 16. So we can just write our 16 here. And then we're going to take the 6 and write it under the units. Yes, under the units. And take this 1 and carry it over to the 1, to the 2 that is above them. And then now we are going to say we are going to say 4 times 20. Yes, you heard me right. It's 4 times 20 because this 2 here carries a value of 20. But because we want to make our lives easier, we can just say 4 times 2 and our answer is 8. And then because we're not forgetting the 1 that we carried over here, our answer is going to be 8 plus 1, which is going to give us a 9. Yes. And then after, guys, now that we are done with the 4 times 4 and the 4 times 2, we can just draw a line here. And then now that we are dealing with the tens, this 20 represents this 2 represents a 20, remember, guys, and this 20 is a 10. So now we have to always, because we are dealing with the tens now, we have to always write a 0 here. Yes, guys, we write a 0 here. And then after writing a 0, we can just carry on. So now we have to say 2 times 4, which is going to give us an 8. And then we write our 8 here. And then we say 2 times 2, which is going to give us a 4. And we write our 4 here. Yes, guys. And then now that we are done multiplying the two numbers, we are just left with adding 96 plus 480 to get us to our product. So now that we have to add the two numbers. So we have to add 6 plus 0, which is going to give us a 6. Yes. And then we have to add 9 plus 8, which is going to give us 17. So we can just write our 17 here on the side. And then we take the 7 and we put it here. And the 1, we just carry it over to the 4 here. And then now, as you can see, guys, there's nothing to add 4 with. So we are just going to say 4. And then 4, remembering the 1 that we carried over from the 17. So we're going to say 4 plus that 1, which is going to give us a 5. And we are done. Yes, guys. Thank you. Yes, guys. So after having this amazing session that we had, I would just like to ask you guys 3 questions based on what we did. So the first question would be, what is a product? And the second question would be, why do we put a 0 after multiplying the units? And the third and most final question would be, what step rather do you do before getting to the final answer? Thank you.